Welcome back to Crypto Wealth channel, guys. In today's video we're going to discuss about Bitcoin price. We're going to see what is going on here on the chart, and also we're going to do something different today because we're going to mention Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin and EOS. Also, we're going to mention two adoptional news that are concerning the cryptocurrency space, because we always do that to surround ourselves with a little bit positive news. And now let's get started. So in previous days we discussed about Bitcoin price, where could it go. Also we mentioned the 20 exponential moving average. We're always going to start with this moving average, which is very important for the Bitcoin price when it comes to some sort of a bull market. As we can see here on daily chart, Bitcoin perfectly found the bottom on the 20 exponential moving average, as we had those pullbacks on it in the previous weeks or so. Right now we are trying to retest $10,500 over here, and I do think that we will do that very soon. Also, if we switch on 1 hourly chart, we can see that the Bitcoin is trying to find some sort of a ascending triangle formation over here, which should lead us to the spike on the way to the upside, because we all know that those patterns over here are very powerful when it comes to the bull markets, and they're making the higher lows over here. We have a flat resistance, and the Bitcoin should start going to the way to the upside. I hope we will find some sort of a level of support over here around $10,300, and after that retest 10,500, where we actually have been declined in the previous weeks or so. Also, it's very important to mention all four EMAs, because they are making crosses right now, which means that they are making crosses for new bull market formation, and I hope we will see that in the next weeks or so, because Bitcoin is preparing to push itself on the upside pretty high. If you want to be updated a little bit about our technical analysis, please check out our latest videos about Bitcoin TA on this channel. Now, to switch on to Ethereum, we can see that the Ethereum is going pretty well and better of most of the currency out there. After the Bitcoin, we can see this blue area of trading over here, where Ethereum is actually struggling to break above. Why? Because the whole structure over here is staying above this trading zone, and the Ethereum now is trying to break it. As we can see over here, we do have a lot of orders over here also, and now the bulls onto the Ethereum side are trying to break it, or at least trying to trade inside of this trading zone, break these walls and start surging on the way to the upside. And I hope we will succeed as the new bull market starts into the Bitcoin market. Now, switching on XRP USD chart, we can see that the XRP is struggling pretty hard to reach 50 cents, which is one of the strongest resistance over here, to break it and reclaim this structure over here where the whole price was holding above. Unless we see the retesting over here, there is not much to talk, except something very interesting that is going on onto the 4 EMAs. Why? Because this formation is coming back into the bull formation over here. We can see that the 20 exponential moving average is already lined up for bull market. 200 is trying to find some sort of a way over here, and those two are already crossed. So yeah, this is very interesting to see, because we didn't see this since 2017 bull market on the XRP chart over here, that we had some sort of around 1 month or so. I don't count as the rally, because this is just trying to break this 50 cents. We could see that the XRP retested this resistance over here, failed, and after that came back to a hole over here to 20 cents, or unfortunately. So now it's trying to establish the new rally. We need to see all those 4 EMAs lining up as it should: 20, 50, 100 and 200 daily exponential moving average in order, and then only then I could expect XRP to retest 50 cents, because I do think that we have a lot of orders around that area, and as we all know, XRP has a lot of coins in circulation, and it needs a lot of money to raise the price on the way to the upside, and also that's one of the reason why it's going too slow to actually climb the price on the way those levels. Now, Litecoin, we can see the Litecoin is doing something pretty well and similar as the Ethereum over here, but the Litecoin is also have this red trading zone, which is one of the resistance that it needs to break in order to reclaim this structure over here. So yeah, for now Litecoin is doing nothing special. If we bring all 4 EMAs, they're also crossing for the bull market over here that we didn't see since 22nd February in last year. Right now we are also in February, and I hope we will see some run to the way to the upside. So yeah, you're still not late to invest into these coins if you will, because it wouldn't be so smart to invest when they start surging on the way to the upside. There are potentially very good chances for correction and then continue rallying or whatever it will happen in the future. So yeah, make sure if you're investing, do your technical analysis and invest on time. Do not wait FOMO to hit in your head, because that's not good. We all went through that. And last but not least, going in today's video, we can see that the EOS has been declined from this zone over here and fell below it, because yeah, as we can see, a lot of orders are over here into this area. So we need to break above $6 in order to see some sort of a new rally for the EOS, which is totally okay, because in the previous month or so we did rally 153%. So yeah, just find me an asset which could run for about 2 months in 153%. There is now such a thing. So yeah, I think this is correction for now, and the traders will try to actually retest this zone over here. I do believe that the bulls over here have a strength to break this resistance, let's say like that, and push the price above this wall. If we bring 4 EMAs, we can see that the formation is trying to form into the bullish pattern over here. But let's see how this would end up, because we did have pretty good correction, pretty good pullback on the 50 exponential moving average over here, and for now we are bouncing and retesting 20 exponential moving average as our resistance. All those coins that we mentioned are doing pretty well for now, except XRP is a little bit late for them, because as I mentioned, a lot of coins in circulation are there and a lot of money we need to actually push the price on those levels. But for now all those coins are surging and forming some sort of formations for the new bull rally. Make sure if you're investing in altcoins or Bitcoin or whatever, please make sure you do that on time. Do not do that when it's too late, because you could burn yourself. And as I promised, a little bit bullish news for today. Samsung keeps cryptocurrency functionality in Galaxy S20 models. Samsung has already upgraded these options of wallets into their phones, at least new phones. I'm not sure which one. I think it's something around S10, S9. If I'm wrong, please let me know in the comment section down below if any of you as a holder has such a phones which have those functionality. So we can see that the Samsung decided to continue with the cryptocurrency wallet, and I do think that for them it is profitable as long as they are doing that, because people are probably using wallet, and I do believe that the people will continue to use wallets on their phones, because we need practicality and a user-friendly environment when it comes to the paying with the cryptocurrency. And when it comes to paying, let's switch on to another news. Coinbase becomes direct Visa card issuer with principal membership. We do have one educational video, what are cryptocurrency cards, and one of them we are mentioning there about Coinbase cards, which are actually available in few countries, around 20 countries maybe in Europe, and for now they are trying to expand that worldwide. And as we can see, Coinbase became direct Visa card issuer, which is very good. People will start using cryptocurrency. You could actually pay your goods and services with the cryptocurrency. We couldn't imagine this few years ago. This is very important for the cryptocurrency space, because probably if you don't want to pay the taxes when you are pushing the cryptocurrency out to the USD in the cash, you can actually use them directly to buy your goods and services. We do have a lot of use cases with the cryptocurrency space, and it will remain to spread like a virus. This is very good, and I hope it will come into my country also, so I could also order one of those cards. Very interesting stuff are happening in the cryptocurrency space, it's very important to mention those stuff because they're concerning mass adoption in the cryptocurrency space. It's going slow but sure. I think this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you like this sort of videos, and let us know in the comment section down below what could be better. Also, I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos. As and always, until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.